ezyZip.
How to unlock WinZIP password. First, swing over to the Passcovery website and download ezyZip password recovery. Link in the description. Once downloaded, follow the installation instructions to install the software on your computer. Open the software, and click the Open button to select the zip file you want to crack open. Once done, follow the prompts. The software offers several attack types, such as brute force, mask, or dictionary attacks. Hit finish and watch ezyZip password recovery swing into action. Once the software has cracked the code, it'll display your password. It's that easy. I hope that helps. Please click the logo and subscribe. It would mean a lot to us.
ezyZip.